Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix could not connect to Steam network error. The could not connect to Steam network error appears when Steam is unable to establish a connection with its servers. This can happen due to network configuration problems, corrupted DNS cache, blocked connections from firewall settings, or issues with the Windows network stack. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting methods you can try to restore Steam's connection. The first method is to check whether Windows Defender Firewall is preventing Steam from connecting. Open the Windows search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall, then open it. Select Windows Defender Firewall Properties. Here, you will see the firewall status settings for different network profiles. From the Firewall Status drop-down menu, select Off and click OK. This temporarily disables the firewall and allows you to check whether it is blocking Steam's connection to the network. After testing Steam, it is recommended to turn the firewall back on for security and instead create an exception for Steam if the firewall was the cause of the issue. If the problem continues, the next step is to check your network adapter settings. Open the Windows search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. You will see the list of available network adapters. Double-click the internet connection you are currently using. Select Properties. From the list of items, double-click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Make sure both options are selected as Obtain an IP address automatically, Obtain DNS server address automatically. These settings allow your router or network to automatically provide the correct network configuration. Incorrect manual IP or DNS settings can sometimes prevent Steam from connecting to its servers. If Steam still cannot connect, the next step is to refresh your computer's network configuration. Open Command Prompt, CMD. You can search for it from the Start menu. Type the following command and press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. This clears the DNS cache stored by Windows, removing outdated or corrupted website and server address records that may interfere with Steam's connection. After that, enter the following command, netsh winsock reset, and press Enter. This resets the Windows WinSock catalog, which controls how applications communicate with the network. After running both commands, restart your computer so the network changes can fully take effect. Once your computer restarts, open Steam again and check whether the connection issue has been resolved. It is important to understand that the could not connect to Steam network error can be caused by several different factors, including incorrect network settings, corrupted DNS cache, firewall restrictions, temporary Steam server issues, router or internet connection problems, corrupted Windows network configuration. A common beginner mistake is repeatedly reopening Steam without troubleshooting the actual network issue. Another common mistake is leaving the firewall disabled permanently after testing. The firewall protects your computer, so it should be turned back on after checking whether it caused the problem. To summarize, fixing the could not connect to Steam network error begins by checking Windows Defender Firewall settings and temporarily disabling the firewall to see whether it is blocking Steam. If the issue remains, open View Network Connections, access Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4, and ensure both IP and DNS settings are set to obtain addresses automatically. Finally, run ipconfig/flush DNS and netsh winsock reset in Command Prompt. Restart your computer and try opening Steam again. And that's how to fix the could not connect to Steam network error on Steam. By checking your firewall, correcting your network configuration, and resetting Windows network components, you can resolve many of the most common connection issues and get Steam back online. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.